Alright, y'all, this is your boy Al back with another video. I'm about to break down how to remove the front end on these 06 to 09 Dodge Chargers. The first things first, behind here, if you come up to the top of the bumper on the top of both headlights, you got 10 millimeter bolt right up in there. You can see it. Hold on. 10 millimeter right underneath the fender. There's one, and then you got one. You have to pull your tabs, and there's one screw right here. It's another 10 millimeter. Y'all can see it right through there. And then this one all the way up in here that you got to get off, and it's like in here, but they all 10 mils, and that's all the three bolts you got to get off on both sides. And pretty much all you got to do, if you have the shield underneath, it should just be tabs that hold on. You see I got the holes, but I took off my splash shield up under here, so I ain't got to worry about that. It's just those bolts. And then you got these little push tabs on the top. So I'm gonna just take all these out and get the 310 mils, and then you have to put a little bit of force into it, but you'll be able to pull them straight off. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do that. All right, so I'm gonna try to set y'all up. I can't really set y'all up for real, but y'all see it. Just get your 10 mil. 10 mil, where you at? Yeah. There we go. Yeah. I'm kind of using the phone to see in here too, so that's a plus. First one, they all 10s, man. All of 10 millimeter. We got the mosquitoes out here trying to get you, boy. And like I said, the mosquitoes getting me, man. Hold on, I'm gonna spin y'all around. And we gotta get that off. Hold on, man. I can't record this and do this at the same time, but I'm gonna let y'all see once I get it off. I pretty much explained it. Yeah, it's a 10 mil. I'm gonna get this off and then I'm gonna show y'all. Got that off, but y'all see, just pull this to the side. Yank it out, just like that, and just peel this back. You're gonna put all this right back into it once we finish. But you just pull down this fender liner just to get it out the way, and then this 10 mil, and I can't really show y'all, but there's one right up in there. I don't know if y'all see it, right above my finger. I'm gonna pull it out, see if I can zoom in there. Let's see it. Right in there. I can't get it to focus. Y'all see it? There you go. Right there. But yeah, just all those three, and then it'll come straight off this joint, man. Alright, so quick update. I forgot one. It's 4 10 millimeter bolts. This spot right here, right behind the fender, there's 2 of them. So it's one right here in the front that you can see, and then there's one you got to kind of get up in there and get it out. So it's 4 on each side. So y'all can see it. It's 1, 2, 3, and then 4 back behind here. This is the one that's just a nut, and it's gonna be all the way inside. So make sure, well, you might end up dropping it, but just make sure you find this, because this right here ain't gonna sit right, and it's gonna be a gap if you don't have this. So do not lose this one right here. So after you get those 4 loose, you just pull it straight out, and I'm gonna show you so you don't break your tabs. You can't pull it out you can't pull it out this way. You gotta slide it out that way towards the front. I'm gonna demonstrate it on this side since I already got that side out. I'm gonna grab it. Gotta give it a little force, but just pull it out straight. And then come to the middle, lift up, boom. Now those are my fog lights. So I do have replacement fog lights, but that's a different video. But that's how you get off the front bumper right there. And these, do not worry about these. It's gonna look like you broke them, but those just fall out when you pull out the front bumper. Every time I done it, that always happen. So that's normal. But yeah, man, that's how you take off the front bumper. And I'm about to put my new shit in. Let's go. Like, up, say, hey, nah, hold on, real quick. Like, comment, subscribe on your boy. Check out my other video. I'm gonna pin it up in the corner up top. Got my hands dirty. I'm gonna pin it up in the top of the corner so y'all can see the update video. I got headlights, fog lights, and tail lights. Well, I can show y'all the tail lights because I'm gonna upload this after, since I already have those installed, but link will be in the description. Go crazy.